So it's a pleasure to have a chat with you, Tarun. You are the General Manager of Business Development at the Creus Group, which is a phenomenal organisation, given that you've had 20 plus years of manufacturing expertise with some really innovative dosage forms and technologies that have come have come about. Can you tell us a little bit about Creus as a whole, as an organisation?
First of all, thank you very much. Creus, we have 20 years of experience in contract manufacturing and private labeling. We are actually pioneer in product development. If you have any kind of challenge from concept to product launch, we are the company we can do that. So a lot of compositions which we have done innovative in the company with companies like C. If you have vitamin C normally you will find in tube packing, this kind of packaging. Okay, so we have done it in alu packaging. So it is not available in alu packaging, which we have done. So these kind of challenges, which when we take and we make the product successful. So.
And has that led? You've obviously got a very strong R&D team and are able to come up with some very interesting technologies. Can you tell us a little bit about? There's two in particular that I think are very interesting. That's the liposomal technology and the chewable soft gels.
Yeah. So see, the market is requiring a lot of like liposomal iron, liposomal calcium. Okay, market is requiring this product. So we have commercialized this product. We have liposomal iron, liposomal calcium. We have liposomal curcumin, liposomal vitamin C. Then we have chewable soft gels. So a lot of companies cannot do chewable soft gels. We can do chewable soft gels. Then we can entry-coated soft gel as well. Like suppose fish oil, which is mainly marketed in soft gel form. So fish oil has a bad smell. So when you take it, you can smell it. It gives you bad smell in your mouth. So when you do it with entry-coated soft gels, you don't get that smell. So there is an advantage to the patients. So,
and you've been able to create this chewable soft gel, which in terms of a growth activity, you've got these two incredible technologies that are sort of spearheading, I guess, that next phase of growth for you, would you say?
Right. Chewable soft gels as well as effervescent tablet which we can do in alu packaging. That is the two technology which will take us ahead.
That's a very interesting. You just raised something really interesting
and
about.
Not only the technology, it is about product development.
That's
so
it.
A lot of companies, they have challenge in developing a product.
Yeah.
So we can help them develop the product and commercialize it.
That's
so
it.
Any sort of composition if they are looking for, they can come to Creus and we can help them develop the product.
You touched on a really interesting point that product development isn't only about the active ingredients and the dosage format, but packaging is also another element of a really important piece, and Creus looks after that, the customer from low to go with all of those different elements of product development.
Definitely. When I shown you that there's alu packagings, then we have like mouth melt sachet. So this is liposomal iron. This is other product, liposomal iron. We have commercialized in mouth melt sachet.
So it just goes straight in mouth.
Yeah, it goes straight in the mouth and it melts. So it is easy to take.
Yep.
So patient compliance is there. So this kind of challenge we are taking, and we are launching this product in the market. We are a company which is coming up with innovative formulations only. So we understand the requirement of the companies, and we develop a concept and then execute it.
When you mention consumer compliance, that is an integral part of growth. If you develop great products and they go to market, they're successful for an amount of time, but consumer compliance is weak, then things become static. So it's really interesting to talk about that consumer or patient compliance piece, and that Creus is supporting the brands in coming up with these solutions.
Talk about compliance, like see, we have developed Bacillus clozy with effervescent like electrolytes. So normally you go in market, you have to take electrolytes in a Tetra Pak.
Yeah.
So you have to take Tetra Pak and then you have to take Bacillus clozy separately, that comes in a 10 ml ampule. So we have clubbed together in an effervescent tablet. Bacillus clozy is there and electrolytes is there. So you have to just put in 100 ml water and then take it. So patient compliance is there. So we are the company which is looking after the compliance. And then about vegetables, there's a lot of countries, people want vegan product. So we have visions of that, wherein you don't need an halal and kosher certified certification as well, because the capsule is big.
That's an important part of appealing to international markets. So when we talk about Nutrify is gearing up the industry to reach that $100 billion US target for the Indian nutraceutical industry. And a very large part of that is obviously the export piece. How do you take Indian technology and Indian expertise and export it to the world? So you're addressing some of those issues with your manufacturing.
We are already exporting to more than 25 countries. Okay, and I think export and domestic together, it is a great opportunity for companies, especially the contract manufacturers of India, wherein the capability, they have capability of R&D capability, product development capability, packaging is innovative. So I think it is quite possible. A lot of countries like the taxes are higher. So what we do that in that cases we provide premixes as well to them, so that they can pack it there and provide to them. So this kind of services also which we are providing.
That's fantastic. And so you've been exhibiting here. We're sort of 2/3 of the way through the first day of the Nutrify C-Suite Summit. Can you give us a little bit of an explanation of what your experience has been connecting with the executives within the Nutrify community?
So it is great. It is great for networking. You get to meet a lot of people. You get to meet a lot of companies. It is a great opportunity, a great platform which is provided by Nutrify C-Suite. I should thank them. Okay, this kind of platform are very helpful for us, for the companies, wherein we can showcase our capability to the companies, what kind of products we can develop for them.
We're very happy to hear about Creus Group and all of your new innovations and technologies and seeing them exported throughout the globe. So thank you so much for your time. It was a pleasure.
Thanks.
Thank you.